Hello everyone, welcome to Manogna Thoughts. Today I am going to present a PPT about Li-Fi technology, and this will be a very good topic and it will be a best seminar topic too. So let us enter into our video. Coming to the introduction, in this century access to internet is absolutely fundamental to life in developed countries. Speedy internet connection gives us access to news, access to information, public services, families and friends. Everyone need internet. For children at school, adults in workplace, families at home, going without internet brings a severe disadvantage with regard to knowledge, with regarding to business and with regarding to communication. So internet is very essential thing right now. But good bandwidth connections are not enough. Okay, we want internet on move, so we can find information whenever we want, whether in restaurants, hotels, offices, buses, trains, airplanes, etc. The first thing we ask is to do we have Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is essential in our daily life because we'll get internet through Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is very necessary thing. But there are many disadvantages we face in Wi-Fi. What are they? We are facing a security problems, we are facing range problems, we are facing bandwidth problems, we are facing some health problems. How? See, coming to the security, most of the open Wi-Fi networks are unsafe to connect with since you don't know the type of users connecting with that network. So there may be a hack, there may be a chance to hack your systems. So coming to the security, it is unsafe. And coming to the range, Wi-Fi device would weaker as you move further from access point location. We all face this problem, range problem and bandwidth problem. The more devices connected to single Wi-Fi network, the weaker the bandwidth gets. In colleges, we face this bandwidth, okay? And health, it affects on health because radiation is there. So there are many disadvantages we face in Wi-Fi. But can't we change these disadvantages into advantages? Is it possible? How? Of course, it is possible. Let us see that. We live in a world of technology these days. We can do anything. And now, here is a technology to convert all these disadvantages into advantages. What is that technology? See, imagine a world where every LED is an internet access. Imagine a world where every LED is an internet access. We are consuming 100% more wireless data every year and it increases year by year. Like if everything connects more digital, then what happened to security of information? Everything is coming in digital. Our phones, numbers, videos, etc. is digital. Every day an institution gets hacked and every day the information is leaked. In this digital world, we do not have mainly security because of Wi-Fi is unsafe. Coming to the security purposes, so here is a solution. Wi-Fi technology is a solution that we can access internet through light. What is Li-Fi technology? Li-Fi is visible light communication system. Like Wi-Fi, it's a bidirectional wireless communication technology. Li-Fi can be simply put to be Wi-Fi, but instead of radio waves, light is used as medium. The only difference is in Wi-Fi, radio waves are used and here in light waves are used. Coming to the next slide, Li-Fi is a wireless technology. Yes, Li-Fi is a wireless technology. As it uses visible light communication or infrared or even near ultraviolet spectrum, it does not use the radio frequency like Wi-Fi technology we use. Coming to the next slide, working of Li-Fi technology. What is the working of Li-Fi technology? It can be very easily explained as if LED is on. If your light is on, you are transmitting the data, means you transmit a digital 1, and if the LED is off, you transmit a digital 0 or null. or simply no data transfer happens. As one can switch them one on and off very frequently, one light transmit data easily because LED's intensity is modulated so rapidly that human eye cannot notice. So the output in the form of light appears constant and hence offering permanent connectivity. Like when you on light, we don't know that light on and off, light flippers frequently. We can't see that flippering because the intensity is very fast. So through that light waves you can transmit data. We can use internet. Here when you see this picture, here this internet is there. This internet is connected to light. Okay, when we switch on the light, this light switch on and off, that means it flippers very fastly that human eye even can't captures. Okay, and this LED connects, whatever this LED connects to internet, and whenever we want, suppose if you want to on YouTube, this will send, this internet sends information to this LED and this LED sends the information to our system. This is the working, this is a simple explanation for working of Li-Fi technology. And coming to the next slide, you can visibly see the example. Like in traffic roads we always see the street lights, how a Wi-Fi, that means how internet is accessing by humans. You can see a visible picture that this is a, even it is environment friendly too. There is no radiation waves here. Light waves are only a good thing. See, you can see in this picture everyone is accessing internet through the light. If this technology is implemented, and this is the best example, this is the best advantage too. You can see a few more pictures about this. See, in this way, when you are in office or when you are in home, if you want to work anywhere, you can see this light waves are spreading whole over the room, all the room, and you can access internet here. You can see another example too. See, when you are in corridor or when you are in office, everywhere lights will be there. So here you can use, by moving you can use internet. This is one of the advantage. So coming to the next slide, what are the advantages of Li-Fi technology? There are many advantages like high speed, high data transfer rate, high connectivity, high secured and reliable, and it is low cost. Definitely it is a low cost. Use light as a medium, very high operating frequency, and there are many advantages too. The most and main advantage is there are no interference. Like if someone is using Wi-Fi, like if see it is fast to someone or it is slow to someone, so here these interfaces are not there in this Li-Fi technology. It will work constantly for everyone, but in Wi-Fi, as you connect more devices, the Wi-Fi will be get slow, but here that problem will not be there. 100% faster than Wi-Fi, and it is a purely, it has high security. Coming to the applications of Li-Fi technology, there are many applications like education system, traffic management, better replacement of other technologies, underwater applications, cheap internet in aircraft, environmental safety, and so on. Let me explain each and everything. Some of the most applications are, see, in night we all experience with traffic lights. We all see traffic lights. What if LED lights of vehicles alert drivers when other vehicles are too close? So it will be a very good thing. It is possible through Li-Fi technology. Not only that, internet can even work underwater where Wi-Fi fails completely. Yes, and Wi-Fi cannot be installed at hospitals or operation theaters or any medical laboratories, as these radio waves can interface with cell phones, tablets, or computers, which can block the signals of monitoring equipments. Thus provides very it will affect to patients too. So Wi-Fi can't use in operation theaters or etc. So usage of Li-Fi provides more advanced monitoring techniques and operating strategies too. So Li-Fi technology, you can use Li-Fi in operating theaters also. It won't affect that much. And coming to one aircraft, the passenger travels in aircrafts have to prescribe to put their electronic devices in flight mode or internet mode, because aircraft as these signals may interface navigation signals, they affect when you use internet, maybe it will affect navigation signals. So every aircrafts or every person in the aircraft says you that switch off the phone, or switch off, don't use internet, like that. So Li-Fi can change this disadvantage into advantage. And even environment safety, because we are not using any radio waves here, light waves are only used, so there is no environment harmful technology here. Let us end this. So what for everything there are some disadvantages and there are some advantages. For Wi-Fi there are some advantages and disadvantages. In the similar way, for everything there are some disadvantages in every concept, like pros and for everything. And here in Wi-Fi too there are some disadvantages, that is high power required and reflection of light takes place and cannot penetrate into walls. But Wi-Fi can penetrate into walls. Wi-Fi cannot penetrate into walls. Maybe let's see in future, maybe these disadvantages may be converted into advantages, but with another technology. Let's see what will happen. Coming to the conclusion, Wi-Fi is the trend of today and near future. It is one of the cheapest and efficient modes of data transfer. It surely can replace the traditional Wi-Fi network and can further be extended to different platforms to make it easily accessible and portable, which all thus Wi-Fi is very good at security, and it is very good at fastness. So visible light communication is very cheaper to Wi-Fi because it uses light rather than radio frequency signals. Hope maybe in near future we may use this technology. Let's see what happens. Thank you for watching this video.